Sorry for the interruption, but if you are watching this video till now, that means you are loving this video. If you are loving this video, then go ahead and subscribe our channel right now and do not forget to hit the bell icon. And if you are already a subscriber, then do share it in your social media. Don't worry, this recipe doesn't have any connection with tobacco or zubaki. Zard is a Persian word which means yellow. This recipe has a unique yellow color for which this is named as Shahi Zarda Pulao. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what you have to do. Just give us a thumbs up and you need to share this video as much as possible. So we'll see you in the next video with a new recipe. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.